Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out this new ride that's turning head and saving on gas as well. This is the all new 2025 Kia Niro. Whether you are a city commuter or just someone who loves the smart design and efficiency, this compact crossover might just be the perfect match for you. It's got the brains with the hybrid tech and the beauty with the bold design, and it's packed with features that makes every drive feels next gen. From a sleek digital cockpit to the surprising cargo space, this Niro proves that eco-friendly doesn't mean boring. So the question is this the budget-friendly hybrid car that makes you ditch the pump pain? Let's dive in and find out. So now let's talk about the engine options that you are getting in this new 2025 Kia Niro. In this Kia, you are getting 3 engine options. The first one is the hybrid engine, the second one is the plug-in hybrid, and the third one is the EV. If I give you the specifications, in the hybrid engine, you are getting a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine with a 32 kilowatt electric motor. Both combined, you are getting about 135 horsepower and 195 Nm of torque. It's actually smooth enough for the city cruising, and it will give you enough punch on the highway. And the second option is the plug-in hybrid engine. This is what I have with me right now. In that, the engine size is the same, which is 1.6 liter 4-cylinder engine, and you are getting the same horsepower, which is 139 horsepower. The only difference is, in the plug-in hybrid, you are getting up to 53 kilometers of pure electric range, which is a great option for the daily commuters. And the third and the final one is the EV. That's where the things will get a little spicy. In that, you will get 201 horsepower and 188 Nm of torque with the instant acceleration and the range of up to 407 kilometers on a full charge. Okay, so now let's go ahead and see the boot space that you are getting in this new 2025 Kia Niro. So when it comes to the cargo space, this 2025 Kia Niro doesn't disappoint. With the second row up front, you are getting 646 liters of cargo space, and with the second row folded, this space can increase up to 1805 liters, which is a massive number considering this is a small crossover. So if I tell you about the tire sizes in this new 2025 Kia Niro, depending on the trim, you are getting a few different options. In the hybrid and plug-in hybrid, you are getting 16 and 18 inches alloys. The 16s are optimized for the fuel efficiency, while the 18s give the sportier stance and a better road presence. And if you talk about the Niro EV, in that you are getting 17 inches alloys. Now let's take a look at the design of this new Kia. In the front, you have got the Kia's cool tiger face look with the sharp LED lights. And if you see the design, the LED lights are shaped like the boomerangs. It's clean, modern, and gives the car a bold personality without trying too hard. Now let's move to the back design. In the back, you'll see this vertical tail light pushed out of the corners. It makes the Niro looks wider and more stable. The whole rear end is smooth and simple with just the right amount of sporty vibe. Okay, so now I'm in the back seat of this new 2025 Kia Niro. Let's go ahead and see the features and storage options that you are getting in this new Kia. To begin with, let's talk about the features. You're not getting much here, but if I tell you about the little features that you're getting. So you have these AC vents here for the back passengers. You'll not see the AC volume control knob here, but you have the big AC vents here in the back. Then you'll see these 2 USB-C ports, which are in a good position, I'll say. And you have this armrest here that you are getting. I have the plug-in hybrid one, and I have this armrest here. Now, if I'll tell you about the storage options that you are getting, you have a small cup holder here on the door, and you have some storage options here behind the seats with the 2 cup holders that you are getting on the armrest. So now let's get to the driving seat and see all the upgrades and features that I'm getting in this new 2025 Kia Niro. Okay, so now I'm in the driving seat of this new 2025 Kia Niro. Let's go ahead and see all the tech upgrades and features that you're getting in this new Niro. First of all, you have this beautiful leather wrapped steering wheel with another unique design. As you know, Kia is known for its unique and not as common designs on the steering wheel. On the left side of the steering wheel, you have this adaptive cruise control option, your list button, your lane assist, your driving distance from the front vehicle, and your speed controls. And if we come to the right, you have your voice command, your modes button, your call pickup and drop button, your volume controls on the right side. You have this Kia badge in the middle of the steering wheel. To give it a more sporty look, you have these pedal shifters on the back of the steering wheel. And if you see up there, you have your 10.25 inch digital instrumental cluster giving you a full high-tech display across the dash. And on the right, you have your 10.25 inch infotainment touchscreen display as well, which supports the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So below this, you have your AC controls and your display controls in the same panel, touchscreen panel here. This is an intelligent upgrade in all the Kia models. If you click this, you have your screen controls now, map, as you can see, map, navigation and everything. and if you click this once more, you have your AC controls now in the same panel. Below that, as you can see, you have your 12 volt 80 watt outlet there. In the back here you have your USB port and your USB-C charging port for the passenger. And if we see underneath, you have your electronic charging plate here. Behind that you have your start and stop button here, with your gear selector knob here. If you see this, you have your heated seat options, heated steering wheel, auto hold, EV mode. If you are driving it on normal, not on sport, you can put it on EV only. Parking assist and your parking camera. This is your electronic parking brake here, and behind that you have your 2 cup holders here for the big bottles. And if you push this, you can put the small cups here as well, same as this one. Now if you come here, this is your armrest, and you have your glove box on this side. Okay, so now let's get this 2025 Kia crossover for a spin and see how it drives. And the third and the final one is the EV. Oh man.